Amazon has been cracking down on third-party apps, but Kodi is still standing. However, this time there's a big catch. Kodi 22 is a major new release, but right now it's only available as an alpha or a pre-release, meaning you can expect bugs, random issues, and things that might break. So in this video, I'll show you how to install Kodi 22 alpha on your Fire TV, the same safe way as my Kodi 21.3 video. But I'll also make it crystal clear who this is for and who should not touch it. If you just want Kodi that works, stick with Kodi 21.3 Omega, which is still the current stable release. If you love testing new features early and don't mind troubleshooting, let's check it out. Before we start, here's the deal. Install Kodi 2022 Alpha if you like trying new features early, you don't mind bugs, and you can install and roll back if needed. And if you're happy to help the Kodi team by reporting issues with logs. Do not install Kodi 22 Alpha if you want a daily driver Kodi, or if you rely on your setup working perfectly, or if you don't want to troubleshoot, or if you aren't comfortable updating manually. This is a preview build for testers, not the stable version. Quickly clearing up the biggest misunderstanding, Kodi does not come with content. On its own, Kodi is a media player. You can use it to play your own local media, stream your own legal sources, and use official and community add-ons you choose. Kodi itself doesn't host or provide pirated content, it's just the platform. And that's why Kodi still exists on Fire TV when other apps get flagged. If that explanation helps, hit like. It tells YouTube that this guide is genuinely useful. A quick disclaimer now, this video is for educational purposes only. I'm not affiliated with Amazon or Kodi. Nothing here modifies system files or bypasses security. We're simply enabling official Fire TV settings. How you use your device is your responsibility. Now, pay attention here because this decides whether you can follow this tutorial. If you're using the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, the newer Vega OS model, you cannot sideload Android apps because it's no longer Android based and app support is more limited. So you can't install Kodi on the 4K Select. Any other Fire TV Stick, 4K Max, the Cube, anything running Fire OS is fine. If you're unsure what model you have, leave a comment and I'll reply with a quick way you can check. To install Kodi, we first need Downloader. From the Fire TV home screen, select Find, choose Search, type Downloader, select the orange Downloader app, then click Get or Download. Open Downloader, and if it asks for file or media permissions, select Allow. Downloader needs that to install apps. Now we need to allow Downloader to install apps. Go to Settings, select My Fire TV, choose Developer Options. If you don't see Developer Options, select About, highlight your Fire TV device name, press Select on your remote 7 times. You should see No need, you are already a developer. Press back once and Developer Options appears. Now open Developer Options, select Install Unknown Apps, choose Downloader and switch it on. Your Fire TV is now ready to sideload apps. Open Downloader again, In the URL box, enter 28907, then press Go. Once the page loads, press the menu button on your remote and press it again to enter full screen mode. To keep the site fast and protected, you'll need to generate a quick access token. Scan the QR code using your phone or tablet, or type the web address shown on your screen. Tap Generate Token. Then enter the token on your Fire TV to unlock downloads. If any ads pop up, just close them as you normally would. If this step does not work for you, comment below what device you used to get the token, what web browser you used, and how you usually close tabs or pop-ups on your device. Now let's install Kodi 22. When you get to the download page, go to Media Players, select Kodi, scroll to the pre-release section, then select the Fire TV link and install it. When it finishes, select Done, click Delete, confirm delete again. Now that removes the installer file and frees up storage. Kodi will now appear in your apps. So what's the point of trying it early? Kodi 22 Alpha includes upgrades and changes like FFmpeg 8 upgrade, HEIC photo support, fixes for streams with huge numbers of tracks, improved audio channel handling and forced subtitle selection, library improvements like season plot and original language fields, Python upgraded, which is the Kodi add-on system changes under the hood, platform fixes across Android, macOS, webOS, and more. All cool stuff, but you might hit bugs. If you're going to test Kodi 22 Alpha, do this first. Back up your Kodi setup, especially if you depend on it. If something breaks, report it properly with logs. Kodi specifically asks testers to raise GitHub issues with full debug logs to help fix regressions. And that's it. You now know how to install Kodi 22 Alpha on your Fire TV, why it's not stable yet, and who should stick to Kodi 21.3. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share it with any Firestick user who loves Kodi. And comment below, are you staying on 21.3 or testing Kodi 22? If you're using unofficial add-ons in 2026 without a VPN, your ISP can see exactly what you're accessing. I've linked the only VPN I personally trust for Fire TV in the description. If you want direct help with your Firestick, access to content I can't post publicly, or priority replies, check out my channel memberships. Members get access to my private chat group where I answer questions personally. Just tap Join below. Make sure you subscribe for more streaming tips and device guides, give me a follow over on X and TikTok, and check out the unboxd.tech YouTube channel for more streaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.